Have you ever had that dream where you're incredibly rich, living the good life, and then you wake up a little disappointed as reality hits you? It's a common desire to break free from the shackles of a 9 to 5 job and achieving financial independence. Many of us wonder what we might have done wrong or what steps we could take to join the ranks of the wealthy who seem to keep getting richer, even in the face of a pandemic. So today, I'll take you to the ultimate guide to building wealth. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Businesses. An asset class that contributes to the wealth of the rich is business ownership. Beyond traditional investments like stocks and bonds, the wealthy often have their own businesses. These businesses provide a continuous source of income and can be built from the ground up. Self-made millionaires and billionaires such as Warren Buffett and Janice Bryant Howroyd serve as inspirations for aspiring entrepreneurs. Starting a business may provide challenges, but it also offers the potential for immense rewards. Entrepreneurs have the freedom to create something meaningful and profitable. Once a business is established, it can be sold, providing a substantial sum of money to invest in other businesses or assets. The rich understand the power of entrepreneurship and are willing to take risk to achieve their financial goals. Number 2. Stocks. The stock market is often regarded as one of the most lucrative investment opportunities. Investing in stocks allows individuals to generate passive income and make their money work for them. The rich allocate a portion of their wealth just for dividend-paying stocks, which provide a steady stream of income. Even during market downturns, these companies strive to maintain or increase their dividend payouts to retain their investors. Dividend-paying stocks are relatively stable investments compared to their non-dividend counterparts. Companies prioritize rewarding their shareholders, ensuring a consistent income stream. This stability makes dividend-paying stocks an attractive option for those seeking a reliable source of income and long-term wealth accumulation. Number 3. Real estate. Real estate investment is an attractive choice for both the wealthy and the middle class. What sets the rich apart is their strategic approach to this asset class. Instead of focusing solely on residential properties, they invest in commercial real estate. This allows them to avoid the hassles of dealing with tenants who may delay rental payments or damage the property. Commercial real estate provides a steady income stream and the potential for significant appreciation. In addition, the wealthy often invest in properties with historical significance. These properties are less susceptible to market fluctuations and rarely go on sale. When they do, they fetch for a premium price. By carefully selecting and managing real estate investments, the rich ensure continuous wealth growth. Number 4. Gold. Gold, one of the most valuable metals since ancient times, has still retained its allure and status as a sought-after investment among the rich. Throughout history, gold has been used as money, and those who possessed it were considered at the top of the social hierarchy. This precious metal serves as a soft landing cushion during times of crisis, as it can be easily liquidated to save a struggling business or to purchase stocks. Gold holds an equity value for a long time, making it a reliable asset during times of inflation, war, and economic instability. Additionally, gold offers transparency in its purchase and ownership. Legitimate channels exist for buying and selling gold, minimizing the risk of losing one's fortune to theft. Its enduring value and simplicity to ownership make it an attractive asset for the rich. Number 5. Collectibles. Collectibles are similar to art, as they have the potential to become valuable assets. However, we're not talking about just any action figure. If you possess rare items with a long and mysterious history, people are willing to pay top dollar for them. A quick Google search of collectibles sold at auctions over the years will reveal astonishing prices paid for seemingly strange items like cereal carton boxes or even a single cornflake. The wealthy recognize the opportunity to generate wealth through these collectibles. From coins to cars, antiques and rare items hold significant value. The rich have built extensive collections, confident that someday they will be able to sell them for substantial profits. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the ThriveWise love, so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 6, high-yield savings accounts. Saving is a habit that everyone should cultivate, and the wealthy understand its importance. Unlike the middle and lower classes who often succumb to impulse spending, the rich exercise financial discipline. While they do enjoy spoiling themselves, they are mindful of their spending habits. Opening a high-yield savings account is a smart strategy employed by the wealthy to multiply their own wealth. Once the account is registered, as long as they consistently deposit funds into it, the account balance keeps growing. Even during times when they are unable to make deposits, the money in their account continues to earn interest. High-yield savings accounts are less risky compared to other investments, and the funds remain easily accessible. Number 7, fine arts. After a long day at the office or on a weekend night, you're likely to spot the rich indulging in posh events like gallery shows. While it may seem like they have a special love for art, these escapades are actually another way for them to diversify their portfolio. The wealthy are always eyeing the most exclusive art pieces, unknowingly purchasing artwork that could one day make a fortune. Instead of letting their cash sit idle, they invest in fine art, which not only decorates their homes, but also holds the potential for substantial profits. This casual hobby benefits them in two ways. First, they get to enjoy having their homes adorned with conversation-starting pieces, perfect for networking. And second, the value of fine art pieces tend to appreciate over time, making it a lucrative investment. Some wealthy individuals collect enough precious pieces to build a private art gallery, while others rent out their artworks to those who already have a strong following. Either way, fine art proves to be a versatile asset that continues to amass wealth for the rich, with the potential to benefit generations to come. Number 8, education. One trait that can be learned from the rich is their perpetual quest for knowledge. While formal education may not always be necessary, they invest time in reading books written by other business gurus or expert professionals. They also make use of podcasts and enroll in short courses to broaden their knowledge base. The rich understand the importance of acquiring both practical experience and theoretical understanding, as these assets are something that cannot be taken away. They view education as a personal investment, continuously seeking to enhance their skills and expertise. Number 9, popularity. When it comes to utilizing popularity to their advantage, few understand this concept better than the rich. Sensational figures like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and prominent personalities on platforms like YouTube, such as Tai Lopez and Grant Cardone, have mastered marketing strategies and leveraged their online platforms to great effect. They have successfully converted their followers into clients, resourceful business partners, and promoters. The power of a popular name can open doors and create unimaginable opportunities, ultimately increasing one's wealth. By utilizing social media accounts to market their brands and products, the rich capitalize on the full potential of their popularity, turning it into substantial financial gain. Number 10, having mentors. A lesser-known secret of the rich is that they often have mentors whom they admire and seek to emulate. Having a mentor has proven to be an effective strategy for maintaining focus, setting ambitious goals, and achieving success. A mentor pushes individuals out of their comfort zones, challenging them to aim higher, and helps develop excellent character. The rich understand the value of having a mentor in their lives, someone who is more experienced and knowledgeable in their respective fields. By forging mentor-mentee relationships, the rich not only gain valuable guidance, but often establish deep and lasting friendships. When seeking a mentor, it is essential to choose someone who is better than you and possesses expertise in the field you aspire to pursue. In conclusion, the path to wealth and financial success lies in these secret assets. By following their footsteps and employing these proven tactics, individuals can embark on a journey towards long-term prosperity and fulfillment. Ultimately, by working smart and thinking differently, anyone can unlock the doors to financial abundance and achieve their dreams of wealth. Well, that's basically the ultimate guide to building wealth. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.